Lipot mogol gi Auditor General nyiso ni yor chiwo chenro mag sirikal ne jopiny kokalo e yor mbui mar e-Citizen nitiere kod fuok mathoth momenda mag jopiny mochul kokalo e yor mbui no lalgo. Komiti mar od bura marango kaka itiyo gomenda jopiny oyango ni siling $492 ne ochul ne kambi moro ma onge kod tudruok moro amora gi mbui mar e-Citizen ka omenda mathoth bende osekwal kokalo e yorno.
Irregular payments of e-Citizen platform support and maintenance contract. So this is where the electronic Citizen Limited was paid. The expectation that we had is that the payments were to the parties of the contract. And therefore, that's why we identified that this payment, we could not see them in the contract that had been signed and the contract given to us. So the first thing is we flag it we did not I will not say that we did not raise the veil. It was not in our interest to lift the veil at this point.
And you are talking about money, funds, and you know what is happening in this country in terms of these days people are not stealing from banks using guns. They are still using these systems. So, Chair, I don't know. We have to listen. Maybe we'll listen to the PS for National Treasury, but that is not enough, because if you look at what has been raised here, this system is domiciled in three: ICT, Interior, Treasury. I don't even think we need the PS here. We need all the CSs here.
Because I know that on Thursday we had agreed, and yes. I don't know whether you ruled.
Yes,
that
it's coming.
Not just PS. Did you also rule that we are inviting these companies? Because we need to invite these companies. This is total fraud. And we will not be going anywhere if we don't get to the bottom of it. And the PSs will not help us. We want to know who's behind these companies.
Yeah, we had invited the PS